All right. We live and we active. Oh, shit. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Let's eat today. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so Asia session and London session has been chopping pretty much. We had a new week opening gap. New week opening gap that has been filled. London session tapped Asia session low and then gave a move higher. I have a 15-minute FEG down here. Well, where's the real draw on liquidity? Are we bullish or are we bearish? We've swept this. What are we doing today, gold? And do we have news? Okay, we have news in about 15 minutes. So we'll let news come out and tell us where it wants to go. This is true day open. So price is rejecting off true day open right now and is displacing lower. Remember, we've already swept out Asia low, so there's no reason to go back to this low. So if we genuinely take out this low, we're bearish. How's y'all's weekend? How was y'all's weekend? Good, not bad. Sleepy. Yeah. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. We have to start off slow and prepared. I don't want to go in this bitch gambling. What time is news? 7:30. Right here. So literally in 10 minutes, in 9 minutes, news is gonna come out. My weekend was phenomenal. It was good. No complaints at all. It was pretty good. Reacting off this 15-minute demand. We do have a lot of draws to the upside. Equal highs here with London highs, Asia high, and new week opening gap high, true day open high. We have a lot of draws to the upside, but at the end of the day though, price action is just bearish to the downside a little. So it's a matter of, does price action want to go take out all these draws and then continue bearish, or are we just going to flush? Today we're waiting for news. I want to see what news gives us so we can form a narrative / story. Let me check NQ. Okay, NQ is a lot easier to read. We filled in this new week opening gap. I want at least the 50% of this gap. There's my gam box. Boom, that's 50% of the gap. Drop down to the 5-minute. Okay, we've already taken London lows, and we've already inversed the 5-minute FVG. If there was no news, this is a valid trade already. But there's news in 10 minutes, so we have to wait. This is valid. New week opening gap up. Asia session chops. London session comes down, fills the new week opening gap. New York session. The news you see is in an hour, 30 minutes. Oh shit. I'm tripping. I was looking at Friday. Oh my God. Oh shit, I need to wake up. Yeah, the news I see is in an hour, 30 minutes. I am tripping. Oh my goodness. That's how you know I'm not fully awake. Jeez Lord. Yeah, I had a good weekend. I want to see if price is bullish or bearish here. These are equal highs, but we know gold hasn't been caring about that shit a lot lately. Yeah, NQ longs does look good, but you will need like to see some serious displacement here. You will need to see like serious displacement here for you to take it. Maybe 15-minute inversion. I like NQ long simply because of this new week opening gap fill. It's like, what happened? Accumulation, we manipulated lower, we're distributing higher. We've still never taken out this new week AM high. If you go to the 1 hour, we still have this, it's not on the 4 hour. Yes, we still have this 4 hour gap below us. We came, put in this high, displaced lower, we pop back up. This is distribution. Now we come in for a retest and to continue higher. Like longs isn't awful here. Like it's not awful, you just have to be careful. Oh. You just have to be really careful. Let price action tell us what it wants to do. Let's see. Bro, at this point, ES and NQ, they don't correlate anymore. Like, they don't move together anymore. This looks good. Y'all want to take a stab at this? This is also a 15-minute inversion. Early stab at this. We could try it. Where's the 1-to-1? I don't mind trying this. I could try this. Holy shit. I really gotta go use the restroom real quick. Got 17 seconds to see if we can get an entry here. Oh, we gotta close above this shit. Holy shit. Come on, NQ. Are we serious? And now it's gonna run without us. Okay, let's see if we have a better entry here. Oh Lord. Sweep. We have a sweep here on the 2-minute. And price going higher here. Okay. Let's get a retest, boy. I'll take you out of retest. Light position, guys. Don't go in too heavy. Or eval trade if you need to. It's early. Light position. We get in on this pullback here if we get it. We get in light here if we get it. If we get a little pullback. You gonna give me a pullback? Whoa, that just edged my entry. If this thing starts breaking the high to the upside, I might have to manually get in. Light entry here, light entry here, light entry here. I'm in, very light, very, very, very light. First TP can be these highs. Light entry, we are fighting trend here. We are fighting trend here. What about gold? I need to see more structure on gold. Like, I do need to see more structure, a little bit of more structure on gold. We have swept some highs, tapping into true day open, and then inverse the 5-minute here. So we need to see more structure on gold. And Q5-minute closed. It might want to come down and give us a Timmy out of this, maybe. No, I doubt it. Why? I kind of want this 2-minute low to hold. This sweep here. I kind of want this sweep here to hold. There's a sweep. Sweep, break of structure, continue the trend. If it wants to reverse, it'll probably do it from here. And then this is first TP, which is like a 1 to... Damn, why is my freaking tool so wide? 1 to 1.23 at your first TP. Take off like, what, 3 contracts? Those are equal highs above us. I don't see why not. It might be slow, though. This might be a slow burn. But if this loses, I'm willing to take a second trade today because we went in a bit lighter today on this. I didn't like that 15-minute close. I didn't like this 15-minute close, so it might dance on us for a bit. I swear I thought that was news. I was looking at Friday. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta use the restroom. Give me a second, bro. Shit getting bad. Let me mute my mics, I guess. All right, we're back. We have a nice little push here. We should go break even at these highs. That's good trading. Once we take out these highs, go break even. That's good trading. Potential partials. Well, my stops are kind of big. I really wish I had put my stops here. So my stops are kind of big. So for me, I'm not partial until these equal highs here get taken. So I'm going to go break even here, and we could potentially get a stop out at break even. But if we get a stop out at break even, but we come down and re-sweep these lows, I'll get back in on a smaller time frame. Or maybe instead of break even, on the 2 minute, because this 2 minute is a sweep. This 2 minute here is a sweep. So boom, there goes break even. Go break even. I'm gonna move my stops now to this low here. So now I'm only risking about $300. That's chump change. That's chump change. Go ahead and trail your stop loss there, or go break even. If you can't afford to take a loss, just go break even. We've swept out this high. First TP will be here. My first TP at these equal highs here. So now this is a risk-free trade for everybody. So we're in the clear. This can hit break even. This can go to TP. I like that push, NASDAQ. Oh, man. I like that push, NASDAQ. Nice close. Nice, nice, nice close. Once we hit a 1-to-1, for sure, I'm going to go break even on this. If y'all had tighter stops and you've hit a 1-to-1, you can also partial. Yeah, going break even really is refreshing. This close was nice, but I actually don't want it to trade all the way back down to break even. So I am about to move my shit to break even. Pretty soon. But this is a nice structural low on like MNQ. Even if price action is being weird and comes all the way down to break even, the moment this low here gets taken, more than likely our stop loss will hit as well. So it's like, this is a nice good low because this is a sweep of liquidity and then a continuation with the trend. So if it comes all the way down here, which is me preparing for the worst, this low should send it higher. But break even if you just don't want to take any chances. But these are equal highs above. I think we grab it. I think we grab it. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't play. What's ES doing? Yeah, ES is right by these highs too. Come on, don't play with us. Playing with our feelings. It'll be announced when the timer says it'll be announced. I think in like what, a few hours? Let's check Discord. When is the giveaway winner? In 4 hours. Giveaway winners will be announced in 4 hours. Walk away. This looks bad. I don't like this candle. We're still in this 2 minute here. CISD on the 15 minute. This is about to be break even for a lot of people. Let's see if my theory was right. Remember, you should be break even if you can't afford for it to come down to this low. But this is, I went light on this trade and then I de-risked again. So this is pretty much like chump change if it hits stop loss on this. My theory is still pretty good. I like these equal highs up here. That's pretty much break even for anybody who went break even. This is the sweep low. I don't want that sweep low taken. This is a nasty 5 minute candle, but keep in mind, that's how they've all been moving. After we get nice bullish candle, retrace. Nice bullish candle, retrace. Nice bullish candle, retrace. So let's see if it keeps up this trend to take out these equal highs up there. If not, we'll take a tiny stop out. So that's break even for everybody now. What have we done? Retest of this 15 minute, and now we're bouncing. That's good. Retest of 15 minute, now we're bouncing. I like that. It's definitely slow because this is a pre-market trade. Definitely slow. But this is still holding bullish price action. Let's see if we can break back up above this 2 minute here. This 2 minute candle. What's gold doing? Gold has taken London and Asia low. I do think gold is bearish. Like, I low-key don't want it to bounce from here. Excuse me. See if you can get a continuation down to these lows on gold. This is new week opening gap low. I'm trading Lucid accounts right now. This is a whole bunch of trendline liquidity, so I'm scared for market open. Once it starts getting close to market open and we're still like up here, I'll go break even for sure. That 2-minute did not hold. Oh, but it's holding this one down here. So let's see what you want to do, gold. I mean NQ. It's gonna make us wait for this. RR for eval versus funded. It's not necessarily RR. It's more risk. How much are you willing to risk on an eval versus a funded? How confident are you in the setup as well? This is what I call dynamic risk. How confident are you in the setup versus not in the setup? Like this setup, I wasn't that confident in it, so I went a lot lighter risk. Are you on an eval or a funded? If you're on an eval, okay, how much are you actually willing to lose this eval? Do you care about this eval? If not really, that's not saying full port it, but that's saying go a little bit more aggressive. So it's like risk a little bit more. Like you move stops to break even, maybe not on this eval. Why? So you can just pass the account or fail the account in 2-3 trades instead of break even, TP, break even, TP. So it's really up to your risk tolerance. It really is up to your risk tolerance. Like I would have been stopped out of this trade if I actually liked it a lot. I would have went if I was so unsure of it, I would have went break even. But now it's like I want to see this 2-minute here get reinversed back to the upside. That'll give me some relief. I have a new liquidity pool. Remember, it's leaving behind trend lines here. So you got to be careful with that. Trend lines here. That's definitely liquidity for market open. Eight o'clock candle's about to come in 4 minutes. I do think we can at least take out these equal lows, equal highs. Even if we are going to go bearish, we can at least take out these equal highs. This bullish price action is so slow. But it is keeping bullish price action. High, low, high, low, high, low. Should put in another high, but it's just moving mad slow. Yeah, this isn't good. Come on, NQ. Let's be nice today. NQ, follow your friends. Where are you going, ES? ES might actually come down here. That's what ES might do. Hopefully NQ doesn't stop us out because ES is doing that. We're still in profit. Yeah, we're still in profit. It's bouncing. Fake CISD to come back up. If anyone was shorting this, they might get cooked. Or is it a real CISD and it takes price lower? Chop City. Once 8:30 comes and we're still chopping around my entry like this, I'm closing this. I don't want to play with market open. I'm not sure. Gold needs to do what gold needs to do. I'm kind of bearish on gold. Maybe I'm wrong. But we have filled this new week opening gap completely. Like completely. We swept out London lows, Asia lows. You can try it. This is an entry. You can try it. Oh, it's popping. Why is gold popping? Oh shit, yeah. Gold's popping and Q isn't. There we go. Pop, baby girl. Pop. Equal highs above. I know you want it. I know you want it. Man, this is crazy price action. Damn, that was a fake out like a mother. Oh my God. That's the second time it's hit our break even. Yeah, gold wants these lows. But does that mean NQ and ES want those lows as well? Remember what I said for NQ and ES? Like, Okay, you've swept it. Good morning. We're about to take a early morning loss. We've swept it. Maybe my theory is correct. We'll come down, take out this low, continue higher. But this 2-minute low here, I'm okay getting stopped out here. This is a sweep. It shouldn't come back here. This shit is just dancing around our entry, bro. Can we get a pop? Nice. 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 I like that candle. Let's see how it closes. Nice. Close above the gap for me, please. Can you close above the gap for me, NQ? Nice. Good girl. Good girl. So we might be in the clear here. What's ES doing? Okay, ES still hasn't taken out the highs. Good. This is another little 2-minute sweep with the 2-minute CISD here. If we're bullish, the CISD should hold. Come on, NASDAQ. Views on gold day. It's bearish. It's going down to these lows. My thing is NQ trying to follow it? I don't want it to. Just gave back this entire bullish move. Ridiculous. We should pop. We should pop soon. I want this trade to be done before 8:30, I can't lie. But it's looking like it's waiting for 8:30. But once 8:30 opens, that shit can just stop us out, then rip higher. So it's like, damn. Can we pop before that? Freaking accumulation here, bro. Jesus Christ. Come on, NQ. It depends on where we're at. If we're trading up here during market open, I'll go break even. But if we're trading down here, I might just close it. Because market open, we're going to go sweep something, no? And then on the 5-minute, this low is not a sweep. So on the 5-minute, we might come down to our stop loss to give us a Timmy entry, and then that's clipped. Like it will stop us out. But if I get a re-entry on this, I might take it. But how much lower do we need to go? I don't see why we would want to go any lower. Ooh. Shit, I'm getting it's cold. Like, look at all this chop. What is it waiting for? Probably market open, bro. Yeah, we tapped 50% of the... are you talking about the new week opening gap? We already came down into 50% of this gap. And then we had a sweep of London low. Had a 5-minute inversion and a 15-minute inversion with the 15-minute CISD as well. Retest of the 15-minute gap. That was where we got in. Now I want to see it just continue higher to take out these equal highs. I'm not asking it to do much. I'm really not asking it to do much. It's called a BPR. It's called a BPR. Like, I'm not asking much from NQ right now. I just wanted to go take out equal highs. I'm not asking it for nothing crazy. This will be its 3rd time coming down to break even. Yeah, pre-market on NQ is not the move. It might want to clip us here, bro. It might be waiting for market open to just stop us all out. Like if it's market open and we're trading here, I might have to close that. If it's market open, we're already down here, you might as well just let stop loss hit. Like it's market open and we're trading like here. But it's like this low here, I don't want this low here taken. That's why my stop loss is there. Once that low here gets taken, if it rips higher, then it did a double sweep. It did 2 liquidity sweeps, which is like rare. And I know these equal highs here are gonna get taken. It's a matter of, is it gonna take us out first before it takes it? But these are equal highs here, bro. Come on, NASDAQ, be friendly. What's ES doing? Tap True Day open and rip for me, bro. Come on. Boom, that's True Day open. Rip. Oh, excuse me. Beautiful. Can we continue this? Definitely a tougher trade in terms of psychology, because market open is coming in 15 minutes. I'm doing pretty good. Waiting for TP on this trade. Look at Discord. God damn, 42 cons. Just trade minis at that point. That's 4 minis. Jeez, Lord. $42 cons is crazy work. Come on, NASDAQ. I know you want those equal highs. I hope this shit doesn't come down to break even for a 4th time. That's insane work. That's crazy, NASDAQ. That's so insane. Good pop, baby. Keep popping. Don't let them stop you, baby girl. There we go, girl. Good girl, good girl. I gotta go break even on this now. I just gots to. If it stops us out, that's so sad. But we're nearing market open. We're close to TP. I gots to. Gots to go break even on that. Gots to. Give me a second. Please don't go to break even NASDAQ. Please. Please don't hit break even NASDAQ. Please don't hit break even NASDAQ. Oh my God, that's a nasty rejection, NASDAQ. Please. Nasty rejection, NASDAQ. Please. Please. Discord's going crazy. What's going on? Break even for sure on this. Break even for sure on this. It's like the price action is not good, but we've just popped out. So if it comes back down, more than likely we're sweeping all these lows. But right before market opens, I'll start selling. We have 10 minutes to see if NASDAQ wants to stop us out at break even or go hit TP that it's already right next to. Man, this looks like AMD on the 5-minute. Holy shit. You got equal highs up there, NASDAQ. You got equal highs, baby girl. You're gonna do all this to stop me out at break even? Oh yeah, this is coming to break even. Yeah, this is break even. Go break even on this. Because it's near market open, so please go break even on this. We'll find another entry. Just don't lose. There's no reason to lose anymore. We didn't go break even here. We didn't go break even here. We didn't go break even here. We sure as hell will go, we'll go break even here. You take your warning signs. Take your warning signs. Super, super slow bullish move. Telling us it has ulterior motives. We just tapped into a 3-minute FVG. Let's see if it holds. I don't want this 3-minute inversed. Oh, beautiful. Can you flip? Can you flip bullish for me? No? Yeah, okay. Look at all these lows here. It might come for it. But I wanted it to come for it after taking out those equal highs above, not before. Risk-free though. Risk-free. We're just gonna be profit-free as well. Come on, are you serious? We already tapped New Day open. Why are you going back there? Shit doesn't even make sense. We took out a low, coming back lower. If this FEG doesn't hold, best believe it's coming back for these lows. Best believe that. We got 6 minutes till market opens. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, all right. Let's watch it hit break even. Boom, we're out. We're out of that. We'll wait for another one after market open. I think what it's gonna come do is take out all these lows and then go during market open. I really think that's what it's about to do. That was a good break even. We stayed patient here, 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 and then it stopped us out at break even here. That's okay. And then we missed the move on gold because we're trading NASDAQ. Could we have caught this? Yeah, we could have. Take out trendline liquidity, sweep, inverse here. Yeah, gold is heavily bearish. Gotta wait for pullbacks. Boom. Great break even. Look at that. That's coming for stop loss. Great break even. Gold is doing what it's supposed to do. It's dumping. Brother, if you need the money to trade, you're not gonna make it. I'm gonna be so honest with you. If you need the money, you're not gonna make it. Trading has never rewarded me when I needed it to, ever. Not trying to be negative, but it's just the truth. If you really needed the money, you wouldn't have gone break even here when you know you needed to. Because why? You really want the trade to win. And boom, you're getting stopped out right here. Boom, stopped out. Because you refused to go break even because you needed the money. Excuse me. Okay, boys, we're still active. So that means we're going to be trading past market open. These are still those equal highs up here, but if price actions continue this bearish trend, then we're going to be looking for sales. You got to see what market open does. I want to see which way market open will manipulate to. And then gold, how can we participate on this with gold? Move all these lows, these draws. Let's see if we can get something like this on gold. Can we get this on gold? We don't want gold to come back to these highs. That's for sure. Let me get my fib. .5 is in that 15-minute FEG. Once gold comes back in here, we can start looking. NASDAQ is going straight to stop loss. We were catching the chop. Which way will it manipulate? Which way will 830 manipulate? No wick candle on here too. Holy shit. Look at ES. Oh my God. No, these are equal lows here. These are equal lows here on NASDAQ. You can't let that, you can't take longs now. You have to wait till that gets taken. What's gold doing on market open? Retracing back into our zone? Yeah, that's fine. What's NASDAQ doing? Manipulate lower, then go higher. ES is already going higher. We know NASDAQ might follow. ES has taken out all these Asia low, London low. Is ripping higher. Okay, NASDAQ just took it. I want to see if NASDAQ wants to continue dumping. It looks like it. NASDAQ, you want to continue dumping, buddy? Yeah, it wants to continue dumping. What we doing, NASDAQ? 930 manipulated lower, or 830 manipulated lower. Yeah, okay, this is gone. This is so gone. We have officially completely filled this new week opening gap. If you look at this on how tiny it looks, it accumulated and dumped. I doubt this is AMD though, but it accumulated and dumped. And gold isn't giving us a retracement before taking these lows. Like I want a retracement gold first before you come for these lows. If you can give it to us, that would be great. NASDAQ, I don't know if this is AMD on NASDAQ. It looks more like a breakout to me. But we have to watch and see. Like see it's snapping back up. This looks a lot like AMD to me. Accumulate, we manipulate lower. We just didn't manipulate into a higher time frame, nothing. Like, there's nothing down here. So we might just keep flushing. Might. The UK has massive job issues too. Why didn't MNQ follow NQ on that drop? I mean, MNQ is dropping. MNQ is dropping for sure. And ES is pumping. NASDAQ, what are you doing? Bro, are you serious? This is exactly what we want to see on NQ. Accumulation, manipulation to distribute higher. What's NASDAQ doing? Bro, come on, stop playing here, bro. Come inverse this. Accumulation, manipulation lower to distribute higher. There we go. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try, it's the same long narrative. I do think it's AMD, but NASDAQ, ES is already coming to these highs. Oh, why do they not move together though? That's my problem with this shit. Why aren't they moving together? No wick candle on the 5 minute. Yeah, ES is going wild. Guys, I'm gonna take this if it inverses. I'm gonna use lighter risk. We're already break even, so we haven't taken a loss today. This 1 minute's about to close and it's about to leave without us. We have 37 seconds till it closes. Hopefully it doesn't go crazy on us. And I'll take it. Come on, relax. Relax, buddy. No, NASDAQ. No, NASDAQ. No, NASDAQ. No, NASDAQ. No, 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 no. No, NASDAQ. That's not good. Bad boy. Bad NASDAQ. Bad NASDAQ. Bad NASDAQ. Bad. Bad NASDAQ. You're not a good boy today, NASDAQ. Like, do you even FOMO into this? Why would I long from here? That doesn't even make sense. But it's freaking working. Bad NASDAQ. Look at our equal highs right here. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. Boom, TP. Oh, man. Oh, man. As in such an obvious trade. I'm sure there was a 30 seconds inversion somewhere here. And if you trade the 30-second time frame, you probably caught it. Like, I'm sure there was some type of 30-second inversion here. This was very predictable. Accumulation, manipulate lower distribution. It just didn't let us catch it. Very, very predictable. You took 30 seconds, I knew it. I was like, I know somebody caught a 30-second trade or something. It was like ridiculously obvious. It was so obvious. This, like, ES is mad bullish because we had already swept out these highs. There was no reason for it to not be bullish. Maybe we should have taken this on ES. Was this an ES play? Even ES looked too... And gold has taken out its objective. My goodness, are we not going to catch anything today? It's a good day. This is decent price action. $15-minute taken, swept. Can it continue lower from here? I think it'll retrace for sure. I think it'll retrace for sure. Oh my goodness, NASDAQ. Let's see if NASDAQ can give us something out of this 5-minute FEG. Yeah, y'all, they took MES. Well, it was, come on, NASDAQ. Why'd you do that? Predictable last price action. ES has a lot more room to go higher, like a lot more, like a lot more. What's going on? ES has a lot more room to go higher. So, yeah, this is a sweep of session levels and we can inverse or whatever, but an AMD just occurred. It's time to start distributing. Let's see what we can get. I don't want us to get manipulated into nothing here. It'll suck. Gold is bearish. If you can find some type of entry, it's not giving entries. Oh, it's doing a retracement here off these New York AM lows. Two-minute inversion on gold here. Okay, NASDAQ just gave back all of that profit, but ES is holding. Look, ES is still holding massively. Yeah, good shit, Isaiah. I don't know if it's in here. I missed that one. ES is holding its frame, like it's holding. But ES has not filled this opening gap, like at all. Only NASDAQ filled it. If this gives this all back, then the shit wants to short. Why is it dumping so much? Can't give that all that shit back. True day open. Where's the draw? Hold on, Dave. Where's the draw on liquidity, bro? Where are you targeting? Where do you think it's going? Four hour? What about on the 1 hour? I don't like missed entries because I would just be break even. I wouldn't be worried about catching a second setup. I would just be break even. I don't like missing entries like that. It's just fucking ridiculous. I think we wait for gold. I think we wait for gold. Yeah, gold has taken out this low, but it's like, the shit's bearish, bro. Gold wants to go lower, bro. Sweep on New York AM high. If NASDAQ can come sweep out these lows and give an entry, I'll take it, low key. What are you doing, gold? These are equal highs. These are equal highs, gold. Where are you going? This is a 3-minute FEG and they left equal highs here while sweeping previous New York AM low. Y'all want to try out this 1 minute long here? Take out these equal highs on gold. It's not horrible. Three-minute inversion, retest of the 3-minute inversion, left equal highs above. And now the 1 minute The 1 minute broke structure to the downside, and now we're about to inverse a fair value gap back to the upside. It's not horrible. It's not horrible. I'm gonna go lighter on this, can't lie. It's TP at least a 1-to-1. You have to stretch it out a bit. That's if this inverses. This has to inverse. It's not horrible though. If this inverses, it'll probably come to take out New York AM highs. NASDAQ, chopping. Equal highs too on NASDAQ. Yes, tapped into the 4-hour. That's the draw. Might have to wait on gold. Because why wouldn't you take out this high? Just left it, equal highs up above. I just left it. Why didn't you take this out, gold? I'm not willing to take full risk on this. Today's a Monday. We've missed what, like 2 entries or something so far. It's like, I'm not willing to take full risk on this. But we technically did sweep out these low. Oh, we're getting our entry. Not quite. This is my final draw. If gold just pumps and takes it out, that would suck. Final draw, and then we can go break even here and then worry about where gold wants to go later afterwards. Can you give us a quick scalp, gold, without manipulating us? Regardless, I'm gonna go very, very light on this. I'm gonna go light on this. Light. This is the 1 minute time frame. It could very well manipulate us, so I'm going light on this. We partially got tagged in. We're missing 1 contract. Okay, we're fully in. This is gonna manipulate us. Very well could. Yeah, this is manipulating us. Go light on this, guys. Don't over leverage on this, bro. Yeah, we're getting cooked. We're getting cooked. Yeah, we just got obliterated. Or not. Did we get cooked? This would be my last trade of the day. This is what, a $300 loss. This would be my last trade of the day. We'll come back tomorrow if this gets cooked. Small scalp. I want this equal highs here. It might sweep us out first before going there. Let's see. It just created equal lows at our stop loss, so that's not good. Created equal lows at our stop loss, so that's not good. Oh, fuck me. News in 5 minutes? Deadass? Oh, shit. Fuck, I did not see that. Oh, fuck. So we gotta go break even pretty quick. Can we get some momentum upward? I did not see that news. Holy shit, what news is it? Manufacturing PMI? And that doesn't really affect gold that much. But I did not see that. I think it's gonna stop us out before news though. It's not me being negative, it's me being realistic. We have equal lows at our stop loss. Price is respecting this 1 minute IFEG and going lower. So it's like, there we go. GG's. 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 Or are we gonna have some lucky moment here? If this wins, we definitely got lucky. These are equal lows. Lucky moment here. Lucky moment. Lucky. Luck on our side. Do we have luck on our side? Luck? No luck? No luck? Stop out? All right. Stop out. Stop out. Luck. Oh. Ooh. Lucky. Lucky. Lucky moment? No way. No way. No way. Lucky moment gold? No? Luck on our side? This shit might fuck around and hit. That would be nice. That would be really nice. Man, I really have to pee. Y'all said we have news in what, 2 minutes? Watch my stop loss for me, guys. If it hits, we're done for trading. Hey! Lucky! Lucky, 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 lucky. News in 57 seconds, though. We gotta de-risk this. We just have to. Can we get this equal highs, or is this gonna be a stop out first? Looks like we might get stopped out here. If this 1 minute inverses, we're getting stopped out. This news, I don't see it affecting gold that much though. It's manufacturing PMI. NASDAQ maybe, NASDAQ for sure. But gold, let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, obliterated. All right, boys. We're out. We're done. All right, boys, we're done. How much did I lose on that? How much did I lose on that? Yeah, I lost $300. It didn't kill my stop loss. I lost $300 on that. All right. It'll go now. It'll go hit it now. It should go now. It should. What's NASDAQ doing? We really missed this NASDAQ trade just to lose on gold. I still want these highs. Okay, stop this out first. Sweep. I still want those highs for sure. Come on, gold. What are we doing? Guys, I still want those. I still want these highs. No, come on. Not bad. Are you gonna retrace first? All right, boys, that's Monday. We ended the day down minus $320. That's fine. I'm not trading no more. I'm done. All my draws have been taken. NASDAQ longs, missed it. ES longs, missed it. Gold longs, missing it. Those highs have been taken, and gold is still bearish, so you can see if you can get a short, but I'm done. I took my tiny little loss. I'm out of here. Boys, we'll be back tomorrow. This is a good week to trade. Price action was decent. We just couldn't catch nothing. We'll be back tomorrow. Our highs have been taken, and it looks like it's shorting now. So reverse your position, I guess. Like, a short isn't bad here. I'm going to catch y'all boys tomorrow, though. All right? Peace.